In this video, I'll show you how to change PC font. It's going to be a straightforward video. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is really for educational purposes only. So just come on here from this, open it up. Once you open it up, click on this drive. Once you click on this drive, click on this click on this Windows. Once you click on it, wait for it to open up. Scroll down, you're going to be able to see fonts. Click on it. Now I think from this option, you're going to be able to see a whole lot of different fonts. So I think once you tap on any of them, you're going to be able to switch your current font. And if you do that, check it on your keyboard type notepad. You're going to see it's going to be able to change. So these are different fonts right here on our Windows. So if you still come on here, you can just come on here on this start bar, click on the settings. Once you click on, just wait for it to open up. And once it has opened up, you're going to be able to go to this accessibility. So from here, you're going to be able to see text size, text, so like all of this. So you can be able to come in and adjust any of them based on your own preference and customization, right? So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you in the very next video.